Hi, this is how to tie a bowline knot. A bowline knot is another way to tie in to your harness when you're rope climbing. It's great for working on projects because if you fall a lot on this knot, it's easier to untie than the figure eight. And it's also very handy for anchor building. We can lasso up threaders or large pieces of rock and work that into our anchors. Anyhow, this is how to tie it. We start with making a little circle in the rope. We're going to make a loop here. So you can see that there's a point in this circle where the rope that feeds in and the tail side overlap right there. I want to make sure that on that overlap point, the tail side is on top. It's in the front. And the side that feeds in is in the back, like so. Okay, now we're going to take the tail and lace it in through the back of the circle and under the rope that feeds into it. I'm going to make a U-turn and bring it right back out where it came from, through that circle once again. Okay, so we've just brought it through the circle and lassoed up that feeder rope. And we can tighten this circle and that loop. And that's it. We have our bowline. As you can see, you can still see that little circle we made and what looks like a biter rope here that lassos through the circle around that feeder knot, the feeder line, and back out. And with the slack, we need to tie a backup knot. We can do a fisherman's knot. And there we go. Bowline knot with a single fisherman.